Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dill pickle pasta salad. First, select your preferred pasta shape, such as rotini or elbow macaroni, and cook 1 pound according to package directions until it is perfectly al dente. While the pasta cools, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need plenty of crisp dill pickles, fragrant fresh dill, and a small red onion to begin this delightful culinary journey. Now, let's prepare our core ingredients. Carefully dice approximately 2 cups of dill pickles into small, consistent pieces. This ensures a burst of flavor in every bite. Next, finely chop about 1/2 cup of fresh dill, which will infuse the salad with its signature aroma. Finally, mince 1/4 cup of red onion very finely to provide a pleasant, mild crunch without overpowering the other flavors. The heart of this salad is its creamy, tangy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream until smooth. To enhance that signature dill pickle taste, incorporate 2 generous tablespoons of pickle juice directly from the jar. Finish by seasoning with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for perfect balance. Finally, it is time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled pasta, the prepared dill pickles, fresh dill, and red onion. Pour the creamy dressing over all the ingredients. Gently toss everything until every piece of pasta and vegetable is thoroughly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.